Financial advisors play a crucial role in helping people manage their money and achieve their financial goals. But how do you know if you actually need one? In this video, you'll learn about the different types of financial advisors, understand when professional help is worth the cost, and discover whether managing your finances alone makes more sense for your situation. Let's dive into the world of financial advice and help you make an informed decision about your financial future. A financial advisor is a professional who provides expert guidance on managing your money and achieving your financial objectives. They serve as strategic planners who create personalized strategies tailored to your unique situation, helping you build wealth over time. Financial advisors assist you in navigating complex financial decisions, from investing and retirement planning to tax strategies and estate planning. Think of them as your financial coach, helping you stay on track toward your goals. There are three main types of financial advisors you should know about. First, robo-advisors are automated platforms that use computer algorithms to manage your investments with minimal human interaction. They're typically low cost and work well for straightforward investment needs. Second, human advisors are personal financial professionals who offer customized guidance based on your specific situation and goals. They provide the personal touch and can handle complex scenarios. Third, the hybrid model combines the best of both worlds, offering automated tools for efficiency along with access to human expertise when you need it. Understanding advisor credentials helps you choose the right professional. The Certified Financial Planner, or CFP, designation represents comprehensive expertise across investments, taxes, retirement, and estate planning. The Chartered Financial Analyst, or CFA, specializes in advanced investment analysis and portfolio management. The Chartered Financial Consultant, or ChFC, offers broad financial planning knowledge similar to a CFP, but with different educational requirements. Finally, the Personal Financial Specialist, or PFS, is held by certified public accountants who have specialized training in financial planning, combining tax expertise with financial advice. Advisor compensation structures significantly impact your costs and potential conflicts of interest. Fee-only advisors charge either a flat fee, an hourly rate, or a percentage of the assets they manage for you. They don't earn commissions, which reduces conflicts of interest. Commission-based advisors earn money by selling financial products and services, which can create potential conflicts since they may be incentivized to recommend products that pay higher commissions. Fee-based advisors use a hybrid model, combining both fees and commissions. Understanding how your advisor gets paid is crucial for evaluating whether their recommendations truly serve your best interests. Certain situations call for professional financial guidance. If you have complex financial goals involving multiple objectives like retirement planning, education funding, and estate planning, an advisor can help coordinate these moving parts. Major life events such as marriage, divorce, receiving an inheritance, or significant career changes often require expert guidance to navigate successfully. When your portfolio grows beyond your comfort level to manage alone, professional oversight becomes valuable. Finally, if you lack the time or knowledge to handle your finances confidently, or simply prefer expert guidance for peace of mind, hiring an advisor makes sense. Managing your finances yourself can be the right choice in certain situations. If you're just starting out with a simple financial situation, limited assets, and basic goals like building an emergency fund and contributing to retirement accounts, you may not need professional help yet. Additionally, if you're a self-directed individual with strong financial knowledge, time to research and manage your investments, comfort making your own decisions, and genuine enjoyment of learning about investing, the do-it-yourself approach can save you money while giving you full control over your financial decisions. Understanding the cost of financial advice helps you evaluate its value. Robo-advisors typically charge between 0.25% and 0.5% of your assets annually, making them the most affordable option with automated management. Traditional advisors using an assets under management fee structure usually charge between 0.5% and 2% annually, depending on your portfolio size and the level of service provided. Hourly or flat fee advisors charge between $150 and $400 per hour, or $1,000 to $5,000 for a comprehensive financial plan. This option works well if you need specific advice without ongoing management. Before hiring an advisor, ask these critical questions. First, inquire about their credentials and areas of expertise to ensure they have the qualifications and experience relevant to your needs. Ask directly if they are a fiduciary, meaning they're legally required to act in your best interest at all times. Understand exactly how they're compensated and what all the fees will be, including any hidden costs. Learn what types of clients they typically work with to confirm you're a good fit. Ask about their investment philosophy and approach to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Finally, clarify how often you'll communicate and review your financial plan together. Let's recap the most important points. Choose financial advisors based on your specific needs and the complexity of your situation, not just because everyone else has one. Always understand how advisors are compensated and be aware of potential conflicts of interest that might influence their recommendations. Look for fiduciary advisors who are legally obligated to prioritize your interests above their own. Remember that managing finances yourself works well when you're starting out with simple needs, but as your situation becomes more complex, expert guidance becomes increasingly valuable. Make informed decisions about your financial future by carefully evaluating whether professional help is right for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.